In this video, we are unboxing this journaling gift set from Zebra Pen that I purchased at Costco. So this gift set comes with a hardcover journal, Mildliners, brush pens, click pens, a dry retractable gel pen, I can't wait to try that, and some washi tape. So let's get into it. Hello, I'm Katie and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. My current Zebra Pen collection fits in this little pen case here. I have a few Mildliners and a few brush pens. So I wanted to add a few more to the collection. I passed on this journaling gift set the first time I saw it because I was planning to see what I could see or purchase at the Sugary Gal Shop Planner Conference, which I'm attending this week. Woohoo! But I couldn't pass it up the second time I walked by this. I wanted to get this gift set because I love my Mildliners and I wanted to add some more colors to my collection. So this one comes with the 15 count set of Mildliners, and we're going to swatch them in just a minute when we get into the journal. And then it also comes with a 5 count set of brush pens in this color collection. And each little color set has its own name. So I don't know what this one is called, but it looks like some brighter colors. And then the Click Art retractable marker pens. I have not tried these, so we're going to try these out. I also like that these are, let's see, I think they're all fine point, and I really like that. So I can't wait to try those. This is the dry pen, so it's supposed to fast dry. So we're going to test that out, and some washi tape. And you know, I love washi tape. Everybody loves washi tape, right? So it comes with 5 washi tape. Now it says these are translucent, so I'm thinking they're going to look like the highlighters on paper. So we're going to try those out too. All right, let's open up the rest of this and see what kind of journal is in here. It looks like a standard A5. Let me grab another A5 and see. This is an A5 from Archer and Olive. Okay, it's a little bit bigger than that actually, so it's not quite an A5. I'll have to look on the back of the box and give you the dimensions for this journal, but let's go ahead and open it up. I'm sure they did it in black because most people, or it's like a charcoal, it's like a dark gray. You know, it won't clash with anyone's collection, but I do prefer colors or even neutral colors. But oh, you can use this one as a calendar journal as well. It has your dates that you select at the top. The paper is off-white, which is not my favorite. Let me show you this other paper. So here's bright white. You can see the difference that it is an off-white, so kind of a yellowish paper. I kind of like bright white paper. So let's do our swatches in the journal. Let me flip the box back over and let's check out the dimensions on the journal. Let's see if it even says it. It just says hardcover journal. All right, I wonder if I don't have my measuring tape in here. So let's go back and I'll just show you again so you can see the size. So here is an A5. And this one is slightly taller than the A5 by 1/4 of an inch, maybe a 1/2 inch, and like a 1/2 inch wider and like 1/4 of an inch taller. Okay, I love swatching pens. I don't know, it's just a fun thing. So we're gonna swatch them all in here in the front, maybe on the second page. Let's see if this has, yeah, it does have 2 ribbon bookmarks, again in neutral colors like this charcoal gray and then like a neutral sage green. Let's go here just because this page stays open better. Okay, so here are the colors up close. There are some fluorescent, some warm, some bold, some neutral, some mild colors, lots of choices. And then here's the gel pen and the brush pens. They all look good. Like, I have no complaints. They're all really good. Let's check out the washi tape. Just so that I can put everything on one page, I think I'm going to put the washi down here. I don't think we have to keep these little end tips. I looked on the box and it doesn't say anything about keeping those. I think they're just to protect your marker until you open it. Pretty sure. It doesn't say anything about it on the box. Just says never dries out. You don't have to put a cap on your pen. So I think that was just to protect it until it comes in. So let's try out these washi tapes that are supposed to be translucent. I want to see if they look like highlighters on the page. Okay, it does look kind of translucent. I'm going to just go ahead and put it on the page like that with the color that it kind of matches best. Let's go to the edge. And then I'll just peel off this little extra piece. You can see through it. That's really cool. Okay, let me put the rest of them down and then I'll show you those close up too. Okay, here is the washi tape up close. As you can see through the washi. It is transparent. The black lines on the page show through. So that's really cool. It's kind of like a highlighter washi tape. Okay, let's recap. This is the 33 count journaling gift set I picked up from Costco for $30, $29.90 something. And it comes with the 15 count Mildliners, chisel and bullet tip 2 ends, and 6 count click arts marker pens, 5 count brush pens, and the quick dry pen. This one, Sarasa Dry X20 gel pen. And that is the collection. Oh, I think there's one more washi tape. I have to swatch one more washi tape. So it comes with that one as well. There we go. That one's really pretty too. Let's look at that one up close. It's like a pinky peach. Really pretty washi tape too. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next one.